going on, fam? Eric Ellis here. Super excited to teach you guys how to promote Clickbank products for free. Now, if this is your first time coming across my channel, I create daily videos teaching people how to make money online leveraging Clickbank and other additional income streams. So go ahead and smash that subscribers button, hit that notifications bell, and let's dive in. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, first and foremost, what we're gonna do, if you guys haven't already, is obviously we're gonna go ahead and create a Clickbank account. The way you guys can go ahead and do that is simply by going to clickbank.com. And what you guys are going to be doing there is, once you guys go to clickbank.com, simply going to go ahead and press this big call to action, create an account. Then you're going to go ahead and create an account. Then the next step is simply by going to the marketplace. It's going to go ahead and allow you to promote products, right? But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and find a category of the type of products that you want to create. Now, in this specific example, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys health and fitness products. But guys, this works for any product, right? Because with this method that I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys can leverage this for any niche. So with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually find a product to promote. So an example, I do not personally endorse any of these, nor do I know whether they convert well or not. This is just for the example, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the fat disseminator. So let's just say if I take a look at it, this is what it looks like. So it says Marine reveals the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours. Now, what are the type of people who would want to actually buy this type of product? People who are looking to lose weight. So what I'm going to do is next, okay, cool, I found a product. I'm going to go ahead and press promote the product. They're going to go ahead and give me an affiliate link. They pay me out 75% commissions. I'm going to go ahead and generate my hop link. Boom, I have my affiliate link. Now, what I would recommend is before you start promoting these products, if you want to build a long-term sustainable business, what you guys can actually do is leverage a software called ClickFunnels, right? And you guys can actually build out these landing pages, for example. So this one is pre-built. If you notice, I literally just swiped the copy here. The one veggie that stop eating blah, 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 blah. So my new free training reveals the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose weight, blah, 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 blah. So same thing, right? But instead of sending them directly to, I call this a passive profiting system right here. The reason why it's passive profiting is because you don't have to create the product. They created the product. You don't have to do any of the selling. They do all the selling. So it's a passive profiting system. They do all the work. But if you want to go ahead and actually maximize your return on your investment, instead of sending people directly to this page, you can actually send people to this page. But the reason why it says your logo is because this is a template. If you guys actually click down below right now, by the way, if you guys, if I click edit right here, you guys can actually get access to this template right here. And you guys could literally go ahead and upload your own logo. For example, I could upload a logo if I wanted to upload this. Obviously, I'm not gonna go ahead and upload this, but I could upload my own unique logo and you could make it your own brand, right? And you could even change the words, drag and drop, so on and so forth. Now, why is it important to do this? Because you wanna be giving away something for free. And you wanna be sending people to this page because it's gonna go ahead and allow you to capture these emails. And once you capture these emails, you're gonna start being able to build an audience. And once you start building an audience, you're gonna start being able to follow up with them on complete autopilot, as well as sending them email broadcasts. It's like a newsletter, your list. Start sending them broadcasts of not only this initial product that you were sending them to, but other additional products. Now, where are we gonna go ahead and find people to actually sell these to, right? Now, there's something called Quora.com. Somebody create an account where you can connect your Facebook account. And the cool thing about Quora is simply what it is Q&A, right? So an example, if I wanted to lose weight, what would I search in Quora? I would search in how to lose weight. So what are the best ways to lose weight? So that's an example, right? What are the best ways to lose weight? So what you can do at this top right, there's a big red button that says add question or link. So I typed in what are the best ways to lose weight, because obviously they'd be interested in my system that I'm promoting right here if they want to lose weight. So what I'm going to do is, for example, this person right here, right, they answered it a year ago. But the cool thing about this is literally they gave a really great story, and if you read it, right, they show the before and after, so on and so forth. This doesn't even have to be, you guys can create just a really good story and show people methods you guys can lose weight. And if you guys don't know, right, you guys can simply, if you guys need ideas to be able to answer people's questions, simply go to how to lose weight. And I can find a popular blog post, how to lose weight, 3 simple steps. And what I could do is literally copy this content, right? These 3 things. And I could go ahead and copy that content and make it a response, right? Answer the question. And over time, the better your answers, the more Quora, right? The more people actually spend reading your answers, Quora will actually bump up your content. And what you can do at the end of your content, right? You can say, if you guys want my recommended way to actually lose weight, and then you guys can actually attach your affiliate link, right? Where instead of just attaching your affiliate link, as stated before, what I'll do is attach one of these funnels and then connect your affiliate link to these funnels, so that way you can actually remarket to those people, start building an audience. But down below, the second link in the description is gonna go ahead and actually be to where you can actually download this template. It's called the Passive Profiting Funnel. You guys can actually download this template for absolutely free, so that way you guys can start building your own email list. But with that being said, how is this so powerful? Guys, look, one answer 1 year ago, and this one answer, how long does this probably take? If I was to swipe somebody's blog post, literally in 5 minutes, I can go ahead and answer somebody's question with one of these blog posts. I didn't create the content, but this one post has 59,000 views. Guys, let's just say only 1% of those people actually clicked your affiliate link. 1% of 59,000 would be 600 clicks. So 600 clicks to your link. It's usually about 10%. But let's say it was 1%, you get 600 clicks. Let's say it was that 10%, you get 6,000 clicks to your funnel. You'd be able to capture those leads. You'll be able to remarket to those people. You'd be able to actually sell them your affiliate products. Now guys, this works for anything. I just want to show you guys that it's not just about losing weight. How to make money online. And this one right here, the easiest way to make money online. You guys can do the same thing, create a blog post, create a really good post. And if we look here, this one has really good content, I guess. It's literally like a blog post. And this one had 51,000 views, guys. That is the power of doing this. You guys can literally answer these questions that people have, create these really good posts, and then as people search for it, right, these will literally get ranked on Google. They'll come across your content. At the end of your content, you put an affiliate link, and with that affiliate link, you'll literally be able to drive traffic to your funnels. You'll be able to capture those leads. A portion of those people will actually buy your affiliate product, to where you guys, for example, this one within itself is gonna go ahead and pay you out $23 per day. And the people who don't buy your product up front, you'll be able to do email marketing with them because you capture that lead up front with this copy paste profit funnel. Now, what I want to do for you guys is, first and foremost, as I stated before, the passive profiting funnel is gonna be the second link in the description, but I do wanna actually invite you guys to a free training, right? Because at the end of the day, you guys probably don't know how to build these funnels. You guys probably don't know what are the best products to choose. You guys don't know. I wanna go ahead and basically break down in a free training, right? That I'm gonna be holding within the next couple of days. Click the link down below, right? Once you click the first link in the description, it's gonna be a free training explaining how this method works. It's called affiliate marketing, how you can leverage Clickbank products or any affiliate products to generate upwards of $1,000 per day. I wanna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. If you guys gain value from this specific video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, guys, it really does help. And with that being said, click the first link in the description to grab access to that free training, so that way I can teach you guys from start to finish how you guys can actually create a profitable, successful affiliate marketing, passive profiting business and change your life. So if you guys gain value from that, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribers button, and as always, Eric Ellis checking out.